The smallest things amuse me.
Well, you know what they say. But smaller minds look on. This past weekend, my good friend Kim gave me this 6-in-1 tool and pen combo, which has an imperial ruler along with a metric ruler and a spirit level or a bubble level. Now this end here, this tip, is used as a stylus for your touchscreen, and the other end has two small screwdriver tips, flathead and Phillips, probably the size you'd use for your eyeglasses. Everything about this screams old man, but I will be keeping this with me because this pen is also a pen. I've looked into the refills and they're only $2 each, even less than $2 if you buy packs of 10. And it's aluminum. If you're carrying it with you and you're trying to sort out some screws or nails or whatever, and you're wondering if it's 2 inches and a quarter or 2 inches, this does the trick, and it looks really, really nice. So yeah, this will be staying with me. I really like Sharpie type pens. I always have Sharpies with me in my overalls and my work clothes. Top of the list, the Inksol by Milwaukee. The design that Milwaukee, the effort they put into their products with the worker, the end user in mind, is incredible. The cap has a hole for a lanyard. Also, if you're a hard hat wearer, you would clip your pen somehow onto your hard hat. Am I doing this right? Towards the front. Got it. And even has a little fin here which keeps it from rolling off slight inclines. The ink is non-toxic, supposedly, but it'll write through anything and on and through anything, dry, wet, dust, rough. Love this Inksol. At the bottom of the list though is this turd of a marker. It writes. Probably more expensive than the Inksol, but whoever designed this never thought maybe the cap should stay on. I won't say by who it's manufactured, because if you can't say something nice about someone, yeah, thank you. I'll be keeping this. I don't know what this old guy's rule inscription is for or how it applies to me, but hey, it's mine now. If you really need to know, this was manufactured by a company whose name sounds a lot like one of the creators of Marvel, the guy who would do the cameos in all the movies. And this was imported by a Canadian company called Danbar. I'm not sure if they still have this in stock because it's not on their website, but if you look up a 6-in-1 pen tool, you'll find these for well under $20.